The topic of our discussion is word cloud in our social media responses with respect to the COVID-19 pandemic. Social media responses have been collected from Facebook and Twitter manually by the author. Let us start our discussion on word cloud for social media responses on COVID-19 pandemic. The step-by-step approach to word cloud generation is given below. Step 1. Load libraries NLP, TM, R-Color Brewer, Snowball C, word cloud, string R. Step 2. Input text data file pandemic352020.csv. Step 3. Clean the text data with the TM and string R functions. Step 4. Make corpus and DTM document term matrix. Step 5. Generate word cloud. Step 6. Find word association in terms of correlations. Now let us run these command lines and also load the libraries required for this text data analysis. Let's load the libraries. Let us input the text data that's required for the pandemic analysis. Now let us pandemic 35 2020 CSV has been input and it is stored onto reviews data object. It is saved as a matrix onto the object ABC. Let us display the head and tail of ABC. The head and tail of ABC has been displayed. Now let us start the text cleaning with the string R functions. Let's remove the symbols which we do not want to appear in the word cloud. Let's remove them one by one. They've been removed. Let's now use the TM function, text mining functions, for text cleaning. Remove the numbers, remove punctuation, make the text to lowercase because R differentiates between uppercase letters and alphabets and lowercase. Hence, let's bring it for uniformity to lowercase. Then remove the words which we do not want. These specific words we do not want to appear in the word cloud. Remove them using remove words. Then form these stop words along with the standard English stop words. The and is added, and the new stop words is made use of for removing the stop words and stored onto the data object ABC. Let's strip the white space that has been generated into the text because of the cleaning activity. Now let us carry out word stem, which is part of Snowball C. After stemming, let us save the cleaned text ABC into review underscore text and then display the head and tail of the review text. Yeah, it has been displayed. Now let us make a vector source of that text data. The clean text data, let us make a vector source. And then from the vector source, let us make a corpus of the text. Let us inspect the first 10 documents of the corpus. The first 10 documents has been displayed over here of the corpus along with the metadata. Now let us form the document term matrix or the using the function term document matrix from the corpus. Now let us make the DTM. DTM has been made. Let us inspect DTM. The rows 51 to 60 and the columns 10 to 20. Let's see the document term matrix. This is the word 51 to 60 and the documents 10 to 20. And these matrix values indicate the frequency of the word that occurs in each of these documents. And hence the row sums of the document term matrix DTM2. Let's first of all save the DTM as matrix into data object DTM2, and then once you find the row sums for each of the word, that becomes the frequency for the particular word. Then sort the DTM2 object in terms of decreasing frequencies, right? So that the highest frequency words will appear at the top, then subsequently the lower frequencies will appear. Let's create DTM2 as a matrix, then sort it. The head of the frequency is displayed. The highest frequency is COVID 543, coronavirus 332, cases 264, etc. Now let us save the names of the frequency. These are the names: COVID, coronavirus, cases, health, etc. onto the vector words. And then let us plot the frequency. The frequency of all the words, all the terms has been plotted with the highest frequency words occurring at the beginning and lesser frequencies far away. Now let us generate the word cloud, which will comprise of words and frequencies, and maximum words equal to 90, then random order equal to false, will ensure that the highest frequent words will appear in the center. And rotation percentage equal to 0.4 is the percentage of the text that will appear in the vertical direction. Colors equal to Brewer Pal 3 dark 2 indicates the palette that is to be used for displaying the word cloud. Scale is concatenated values 3 and 0.5, that is a font size, maximum font size and minimum font size in the word cloud. Now let us generate the word cloud. It has come out nicely. Let's now plot the high frequency words as a bar plot and display the high frequency top 20 words. Now let us find out the associations, word associations for the words top high frequency words: COVID, coronavirus, cases and health. Let us find their association. These words associations are the co-occurrence with the other words in the text data using the find associations function. And this function is run over the document term matrix DTM. Let's run it. Now this shows the results. The COVID doesn't have any correlation with the other words. Coronavirus also doesn't have any correlation. Cases has got a correlation, high correlation with reported cases is co-occurring the correlation of 0.47, and total and cases 0.43. Similarly, the other words. For health, it is public and health co-occurring with a correlation of 0.34, and health and affecting 0.28, health and timely 0.28. So this simple text analysis tool, word cloud, and the word association, they help in understanding and getting an insight into the text data. The author, Dr. A. Rajagopal, can be reached at arg1962@gmail.com.